All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. This is going to be the first of a two-part video. The first part of the video we're about to do now, we're going to talk about how to complete a cumulative frequency table. And then in the second video, we'll use that cumulative frequency table to make ourselves a cumulative frequency curve. All right, so let's just do the table first. Here we go. Says here, the frequency table shows the number of gulps it took for 50 toddlers to drink all of their juice boxes. Okay, so that's this information right here. Here's the amount of gulps, and here's how often it took that range of gulps for them to finish their juice boxes. Okay, so we need to fill in this cumulative frequency table. And so what they're doing here is saying, okay, how many of these gulps, or how many of the gulps were less than 3, right? Gulps less than 3. So you just go up to your table and from 0 to 3, okay, there you go. So you put in a 3. Step 1 in the books. Good job. Now for the next step, it says, okay, well, how many of the gulps were less than 6? And if you think about it, all of these above are less than 6, right? So then, but we're also taking the next group, so we're adding to it. It's cumulative. So you take these 8, right? Take those 8 and you add it to those 3. Well, 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 were less than 6. And so this is getting less and less restrictive because as we go up, everything we already did also counts. Because when it says like how many are less than 9, well, all of these are definitely less than 9, but there's also this one that's also less than 9. So it's cumulative. So we're just adding. So we say 11 plus 13, which would be 24. And at this point, you kind of get the drift. You're just adding up your data. You're cumulatively looking at the frequency, okay? So the next data point is 12. So you just say 24 plus 12. 24 plus 12 is 36. Next point is 9. We're adding it to it. 36 plus 9, that's 45. Next one, 45 plus 5 is 50. Now, before you go any further, this is a great opportunity for you to make sure you did not make a mistake because this number 50 should be the exact same amount of the number they gave you in the beginning, right? So 50 and 50, so it all lines up. So that's how you know you did it right. This is the first step of the task, and this is just how you complete a cumulative frequency table. The next video I do here, we'll talk about how to take this cumulative frequency table and how to use it to make a cumulative frequency curve. Okay, if you want to be notified when I make more practice problems, please subscribe. And if there's something you need to see, something you don't understand, a concept you need me to work on, please leave a comment below and I will do my best to make a video just for you. All right, bye.